Why is my car shutting off in reverse?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a rather perplexing problem some drivers encounter. Why does my car shut off when I put it in reverse? More importantly, should you take it to a mechanic if it happens? Let's dive in.
What causes a car to shut off in reverse?
When a car shuts off in reverse, it indicates an underlying issue with its components. Some potential culprits include 1. Transmission issues. The reverse gear might have problems. 2. Faulty sensors. Modern cars rely on sensors to run smoothly. A faulty sensor can cause the engine to shut off when the transmission is shifted into reverse. 3. Fuel system problems. An unstable fuel supply can cause the car to stall under specific conditions. 4. Engine control module, ECM, issues. The ECM manages engine operations, and any malfunctions can lead to unpredictable behavior.
Do I need to see a mechanic?
Absolutely. Here's why. 1. Safety concerns. If your car shuts off unpredictably, it can be hazardous not just for you, but also for others on the road. 2. Avoiding bigger problems. Addressing the issue early can prevent more extensive and expensive damage down the line. 3. Peace of mind. Knowing your car is in optimal condition allows for stress-free driving.
What can I do in the meantime?
While you should ultimately see a mechanic, here are some interim steps. 1. Check for warning lights. These can give you clues about the underlying issue. 2. Stay calm. If it happens, ensure you're in a safe location and try starting the car again. 3. Note the conditions. Remembering the exact conditions, e.g., weather, recent driving behavior, when the problem occurred can help the mechanic diagnose the issue. Experiencing your car shutting off in reverse can be unsettling. But remember, it's a sign that something's not right, and addressing it sooner rather than later is crucial. We hope this information proves helpful, and always prioritize safety on the road. Safe driving, everyone!